This is a 2022 Ford Transit Custom Limited Edition. It has just over 38,000 miles on the clock. It's a turbo diesel EcoBlue. It's in extremely good condition, and whoever purchases can either use it for what it's for, or with a well-organised conversion can be turned into a very nice camper van. But it's all bells and whistles. So all the details are available on the Auto Trader website. If you look inside, we've got heated front seats, which is available on the dashboard just here. Usual sort of glove compartment, armrests. It's got a pack that allows you to know whether you're going over the road or coming up to a collision. It has fold-up roof rack, so it's 3 bars across the top. All you have to do is pull the handle out, lift up, lock in position, and that's it. And on can go at least 2 ladders or storage, or again if you're going on holiday, a tent, box, whatever tickles your fancy. So please come and have a look. It's up for a great price. Obviously it's cheaper than getting it from any showroom, so let me know what you think.